time of the year when we celebrate our anniversary with praise and worship night. We take the liberty to invite you, your friends and relatives, to join us in this great worship moment. God has already prepared great worship and the music ministers of God who will usher us into His presence. It's going to be a great night. You know what worship can do to your life. It's going to change everything concerning you. Please be here and look forward to seeing you. God bless you.